as we step innocuously into another era of men's 100-meter sprinting rivalry between Jamaica and the USA, starring Kishane Thompson and Noal Llyes, that Olympic final and the way it unfolded and how it ended will explode the interest going forward. Reminiscent of those epic rivalries between Asafa Powell and Justin Gatlin, and then Usain Bolt and Gatlin, and then Bolt and Tyson Gay. We hope that this one will mushroom and blossom into the fruitful spectacle it has the potential to be. What we definitely don't want, though, is for Kishane and Llyes to be hiding from each other and only race every 4 years at the Olympics or every 2 years at the World Championships. With so many unanswered questions after the Olympics, these two should meet in a series of races on the Diamond League circuit leading into next year's World Championships. Cash in while the chips are high and give the world what we're looking for: speed to burn, while dollars you earn.